Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. This is Faiza and welcome back to my new video. In this video, I wanted to do a super go-to quick hairstyle for any occasion, for like a date night, for any events that you have coming up. The reason why I'm gonna say it's easy is because you don't actually have to do braids. You're actually twisting your hair, which I'm gonna show you in the next few moments. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to section our hair into two parts or from the middle using a sectioning comb. I always use that because it's very easy for me. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a section of your hair from the front, and then you're going to take another section from the side and you're just going to twist it, and then you just add on to it. So you're going to keep going down till you hit a stop, or you just keep going down to where you want to stop, and that should be it. Sorry guys, I just feel like my hands are actually covering the tutorial, so you guys are not able to see the twist, but I just want to describe it a bit more clearly. You're just taking two sections. You're gonna twist it. You're gonna take the front and the back, you're gonna twist it, and then you're gonna keep going down and you're gonna keep adding on to it, meaning that you're gonna take more hair and then add another twist, and then you go down, add another twist, and you just keep going down till you hit an end or till you decide where you want it to stop. Now using a small hairband, you're gonna just tie that section. So I do have thick hair, so I'm going to be using 2 to 3 bobby pins. I'm going to start by putting the bobby pin in backwards, and then I'm going to shove it towards my head, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other bobby pins as well. Now I'm going to be repeating everything for the other side of my hair as well. Once you're done with the twisted bangs, you're actually good to go for the day, meaning you can wear this look outside to work, or if you're going out or whatever that is. But if you want to make this look an evening look, you're gonna go ahead and curl this, because curling will make it more of an evening look. It'll give it a more definition. It'll add a little bit of more volume. For the curling iron, I'm using T3 single passe curling iron. It's a really nice curling iron for a lot of hairstyles, and I just love using this for a lot of videos, and I'm doing it for this video as well. You guys can check this out in the description box below. Once I'm done with the curls, I'm gonna be using my fingers to comb through my curls, just so there's more volume to it. I like to add more volume because I feel like it makes my hair very bouncy. I'm gonna do the same thing with the twisted bangs. I'm just gonna pull them out just a little, just so my hair looks more voluminous, and that is it for the look. So guys, I really hope you guys like this look. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.